Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It is Mike. It is Tuesday. And I need to run out early, catching up dinner with Dad, so I wanted to do a quick video. It's been a very, very nasty day in the market in terms of this. We had a big gap down and this very monotonous range, and we've gone nowhere. And you look at the size of today's candle, and this is very difficult action. We continue to try to hold the low of this range barely, but the 21-day looks inevitable at this point. Volume is more than it's been the last couple of days, but not by much. The Q's weaker, almost to the 21-day. The IWM has rolled over. The banks held in and energy held in. The real damage today came from the SMHs. The SMH is getting beaten up here. SanDisk, Micron, right? Look at these down candles. Look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA gap in a huge move down there. AMD as well. A little tough action there. When you look at mega cap tech, Microsoft held in is actually green still on the day. IGV is still ever so slightly green on the day. Tesla had some flow, couldn't push, tried. Amazon tried to hold in and it did. Meta's getting killed with that lawsuit starting here today. Micron, by the way, the 9:35 calls, two alerts coming in here late. Absolutely destroyed on that one. Apple had flow today and it's green, but it couldn't quite get to the 21-day. Google, not a lot going on. Hood remains weak, right? You get the idea here. Palantir, we talked about, held in. I mean, there just wasn't a lot of strength to be found out there. Home Depot off earnings is ever so slightly green, but all over the place. I can't tell you guys what to do and how to trade. I can tell you is that days like today, when the market gets like this, it's very difficult. We have this tendency to want to chase candles, and these candles are very small, and they pump stuff out of nowhere, and then they bring it right back. And Google was a great case of this a little while ago. All of a sudden, pops, and you get this surge, and it looks like it's going to fly on the on the 5-minute chart. But when you look at it on a one, you realize what's really going on here is you get this surge as the algos and everybody chases into it. And at the end of the 5-minute candle, all they're doing is they're selling into everybody who chased, and the algos are taking their profits and getting out of the way. And there's just a lot of that going on here. It's been very quiet this afternoon. SpaceX held in okay. It's down a little bit. We got 2 days until they have their next, what do you call, lockup expire. All right. So with that said, guys, we'll get back at this in the morning. Nice and easy here until market changes. All right. Catch you guys live in the AM. Everybody have a wonderful night.